Hello students, welcome to C programming class. So here we learnt regarding block diagram of computer earlier, and we gone through what different units of block diagram of computer. I mean to say input unit, storage unit, and as well as output unit, and we discussed input unit and as well as storage unit. So later we need to discuss regarding CPU. That is nothing but central processing unit. See what actually central processing unit is going to do. That is what the thing we need to learn here. See, the name itself is telling that central processing unit. Central means this is what the thing where which lies in center of what this input and output as well as processing. I mean to say this central processing unit is responsible for processing. What it is going to process? See, suppose what we are going to give, we are going to give input. This input is processing in central processing unit and it gives output. This is what the thing we need to know with respect to CPU. See, the central unit, central processing unit consists of control unit and arithmetic logic unit. So, by combining these two, we are going to consider this as central processing unit. See, some adjective they are telling CPU is brain of a computer, of course. So what are the functions it will do? It will do all the calculations, it takes the decisions, it controls all units of a computer. First thing, it will do calculations. Later, some decision making, which one we need to do, which one we need to skip, such kind of decisions. Later, which controls all units of computer. I mean to say, the computer is a combined machine which include many peripheral devices. Many peripheral devices. Something like input units, output units, then followed by CPU. That's why the control unit, what it will do, it will control both input and output unit as well as peripheral devices. See, what they are telling in this point, a personal computer may have CPU IC such as Intel 8088, 80386, 80486, Celeron. See, the thing is, here the central processing unit consists of what? Integrated chip. That is nothing but IC. So what we are going to call it as processor. Processor mean nothing but an integrated chip which meant for the calculations, which comes in what? Different flavors. See, actually mainly two companies providing what? Processors. Mainly, I am telling. Of course, many other companies are also available, those who are providing processors, out of which Intel and AMD, which makes the mark. With respect to Intel, we have Intel processors, something like Intel 8088 and some other 8 series. After this we have Pentium series, Pentium 3, 4, 5, then dual core, then now the thing is changed i3, i5, i9, i7. These are the different processors what we have. Later they are discussing with respect to control unit. Yes, as we all learned earlier, which controls all units which are available in the computer. So including what? Storage and as well as arithmetic logic unit, each and everything. Okay. Later, so what they are telling with respect to control unit, it manages and coordinates the entire computer system and synchronize its working, thus referred as central nervous system or brain of a computer. So along with controlling, there is a coordination is also happening. That's why we are going to call it as brain of computer or central nervous system. Okay, this is regarding control unit. One thing we need to remember with respect to control unit controls all peripheral devices which coordinate and manages all peripheral devices. Okay, later what we have, arithmetic and logic unit. See, some arithmetic and logical relation operations are carried out in this unit. That is what? arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic operations, as you know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and followed by something called remainder. Okay, so these are what arithmetic operations. Along with that, we have some logical operations and or not. Okay, these are also what achieved through arithmetic and logic unit. It is the place where actual execution of the instruction takes place during processing operation. Okay, where exactly the what instructions are going to execute with respect to arithmetic and logic unit. Later, what they are telling, to be precise, all calculations and comparisons are made in arithmetic and logic unit. Okay, this is what the conclusion regarding arithmetic and logic unit. Later, we have output unit. So, in output unit, what we have, an output unit performs the reverse operation of that input unit. Yeah, definitely. See, input unit takes data into the system. Okay, into the system. This is what out of the system. That's why they are telling reverse of what input. Then, as computers work with binary code, the results produced is also in binary form. As we know earlier, computer understands only zeros and ones. That's why what we are going to call it as binary digits. We are going to call these digits as binary digits. Got it? So, the output unit, what it will do, it will produce results with respect to this format only, because see, the computer only knows binary format, nothing more than that. Then how come the result what we are going to get, that one is converted, that is what depending upon the output unit what we are using. Suppose the video which stores in system in the form of binary digits, while showing or while showcasing, while presenting to the user, that binary code is converted into video. Got it? This is what the thing happening. Same thing happens for voice also. Same thing happens for text. Same thing happens for image. Got it? This is what they are telling. Okay. This is how the output units are going to work. This is regarding the output units. By combining all the things what we discussed in this class and our earlier class, the block diagram of computer is going to be completed. So the concept is very much simple. While learning a block diagram of computer, we need to treat computer as a machine which is divided into three parts. One is input, later CPU, central processing unit, and other is output units. The data is taken into the unit, into the machine through input devices. Then the data is under processing, and which what generate the desired results, and that desired results are going to what showcase to the user through output devices. Got it? This is what all about block diagram of computer. So in our next class we discuss regarding input devices in detail and output devices in details. Okay, thank you all, have a nice day, happy learning.